Okay, I got this E-Go 18-inch chainsaw. I already have the E-Go lawnmower, string trimmer, blower. So I'm going to open this up and see how easy it is to get started with it. I've been using a gas chainsaw for many years, and so I decided to go with E-Go to match all my other stuff. So here we're unboxing it. Got the owner's manual. Got some cardboard packing, all that stuff. And then your chain guard comes with the chain installed already. Chain brake is on. Now the chain is moving. And you can tighten up the chain tension here with this device. You have to put in the bar and chain oil before you use it, so that just goes in this little thing here, and I brought some bar and chain oil. And it says you fill it until it's at the bottom of the little inlet. So we'll just pour some in there. Enough to get us started. And then there's a little window on here that tells you whether you've got enough bar and chain oil, and so I do. Okay, so now I got the battery. So you can buy them with a battery and a charger. I think it's about 399 bucks. This one was just the tool only for $279 at Ace Hardware. Let's make sure it's on there. There we go. Okay, now let's just see. Ooh. Even has a nice little LED light so you can see what you're working on if you're chainsawing at night, which I don't recommend. All right, let's see how it goes. Not bad. It's got some good power. Well, there you go. E-Go 18-inch chainsaw. Seems to work pretty good. Now I'm going to start on a tree.